hippo, kangaroo, ostrich, lion, roar, cheetah, it's a bald eagle, oh, still a bald eagle, elephant, bear, puma, penguin, panda, gorilla, pink flamingo, rhinoceros, anteater, wolf, zebra, camel, tiger, koala. Okay, kids, today let's see what kind of zoo animals can we find in our sandbox. If you like these videos, be sure you hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps us make more videos for you. So first up, what do we have here? That looks kind of like, is it a rhinoceros or hippo? I can't tell. Oh, it's a rhinoceros. Rhinos use their thick skin for protection from thorns and other dangers in the wild. They love to roll in the mud, which keeps them cool and protects their skin from sunburn and other insects. Now let's see, who else can we find? Who is that? Oh, I think that's an eagle. Yeah, that is a bald eagle. Bald eagles have a wingspan of about 6 to 7.5 feet, which makes them one of the largest birds of prey in North America. They have, bald eagles have white heads and tails with dark brown bodies and wings. Now let's see, who else can we find here? What is that we're digging? Oh, I think that, yeah, that's a penguin. Penguins are most known for their unique waddling walk, and they have short legs and they're built for swimming, not walking. Penguins have webbed feet which help them swim efficiently and propel themselves through the water. Now let's see, what other zoo animals can we find here? I know there's got to be more zoo animals in here somewhere. Oh, I think that's stripes of a tiger. That looks like a tiger. Is it? Just got to dig him up. Oh yeah, that is a tiger. Even though tigers can run up to 35 miles per hour in a short burst, their tiger's paw is so huge it helps them walk very quietly through the jungle while hunting. So I know we've got more zoo animals in here. Who's it going to be? Who can we find? It's gray. Oh, that's an elephant. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Did you know elephants can live up to 60 or 70 years in the wild? You know, elephants are social animals and they enjoy being around other elephants. They work together to care for their young and protect each other. That's kind of cool. So let's see, who else can we find in the sandbox here? It looks pink. Oh, I know, that must be the pink flamingo. Is it? Yeah, that's the pink flamingo. Flamingos have this special adaptations that allow them to drink hot springs or drink hot water from hot springs without getting burned. Also, they can honk, grunt, and whistle to communicate with each other. Flamingos, unlike every animal, flamingos actually see a wide range of colors, which helps them find food in the wild. So, we like pink flamingos. They're cool. Now, who do we have next here? Oh, that is the gorilla. Is it the gorilla? I think it is. Yes, that's the gorilla. Hello, Mr. Gorilla. Gorillas have very strong arms, which they use to swing from tree branches, even though they're mostly ground-dwelling creatures. They kind of walk on all fours using knuckles to support their weight on the ground, and they're highly intelligent. They use tools, they problem solve, and they can even learn simple sign language. That's pretty amazing. Now next, who do we have here? That is our wolf. Wolves are highly social animals, and they rely on teamwork within their packs to hunt and protection for each other. Wolves leave behind kind of a distinct track with a wild paw and other footprints that often are mistaken for dogs. So let's see, who do we have next here? That is our panda. Hello, Mr. Panda. Pandas, despite being classified as carnivores, that's a meat eater, pandas almost exclusively eat bamboo, although they can occasionally eat small animals and a few other things. They mostly eat eucalyptus though. Let's see, who else can we find in here? Oh, our panda fell down. Let's put him back in. Oh, that's a silly panda. All right, let's get to digging back here, kids. I think that Stripes of a zebra. We got to dig him out just a little bit more. Is that a zebra? Oh yeah, that is our zebra. Come on out here, zebra. We want to play with you. Hello, Mr. Zebra. Zebras use their long tail with tufts of hair at the end, which they use to swat away flies. I guess that could be useful. But zebras actually see very well at night, which helps them stay alert to predators when they are grazing at dusk. That's kind of cool. All right, let's see who else we can find in the sandbox. That looks to me like a black bear. Is it? We got to dig him out some more. Yeah, that is a black bear. Or more specifically, that's the American black bear. Unlike some animals, black bears don't enter a true hibernation. They enter a state called torpor, where their body temperatures drop, but they can actually wake up if needed. So let's see who else can we find in our sandbox. Who's that gonna be? I know there's, that's the anteater. Anteaters live in a variety of habitats from rainforest to grasslands, and they're mostly in Central and South America. Anteaters primarily, I know this is going to shock you, they eat mostly ants, but they will eat termites and other insects, and even occasionally fruits. So let's see who else can we find here in the sandbox. I know we put more zoo animals in here. Maybe we'll need to get the big excavator out to find another anteater or another zoo animal. That, kids, that is an ostrich. Hello, Mr. Ostrich. An ostrich can go without drinking water for long periods of time because they get enough moisture just from the plants that they eat. Ostriches, their kick is so strong that it can actually kill a lion or other large prey. So watch out if you are close to an ostrich. Let's see, who else do we have in the sandbox here? What is that, kids? Oh, that is a camel. Come on out here, Mr. Camel. We want to play with you. Hello. Camels can live for about 40 to 50 years in the wild, depending on the species and living conditions. Camels are very gentle animals, but they can get aggressive if they feel threatened or mistreated. And they often travel in groups called caravans, which are commonly used in some parts of the world for transporting goods. Let's see, who else do we have here? Oh, that's the hippo. A baby hippopotamus calf can weigh from 50 to 110 pounds at birth. That's a big baby. Now, they can spend up to 16 hours a day in the water or mud just to keep cool and rest. Sounds like a pretty good life to me. So let's see who else can we find in the sandbox. That's our little koala. Koalas spend most of their time in branches of eucalyptus trees. That's where they sleep, eat, and keep safe from predators. Unlike many marsupials, they're actually marsupials, not bears, koalas do not have a tail. So let's see, who else do we have in the sandbox here? Oh, it's kind of brown. Could it possibly be our puma? Is it our puma? No, that's our lion. Rawr, hello, Mr. Lion. Of course, lions are known as king of the jungle. They are carnivores. They are apex predators. They eat things like zebras, buffalo, and wildebeest. Not sure what a wildebeest is. We'll have to look that up. But lions also sleep for about 16 hours a day. They just love to rest and relax all day. So let's see. Who else do we have in this sandbox? That is our kangaroo. Hello, Mr. Kangaroo. Come out and play. Kangaroos have a very strong tail which helps them balance when hopping, sitting, or even fighting. It's not nice to fight, kids. Kangaroos have very great vision and can see in colors. Not all animals can, and they're especially good at spotting movement. So let's see, who else do we have in the sandbox? Oh, there is our puma. Pumas are very stealthy hunters. They often sneak up on their prey before pouncing on it. They're also carnivores like all cats. Also, like all cats, they have very sharp, retractable claws that help them catch and hold their prey. Very strong jaws that deliver a powerful bite. So, stay away from pumas. Let's see, who else do we have in the sandbox? Oh, another big cat, a cheetah. Male cheetahs are more social than females and sometimes form groups called coalitions, usually consisting of brothers. So let's just set you there, Mr. Cheetah. And look at all our zoo animals. It's been fun, kids.